So this is, you get fresh orange juice for 6 lira, so €1. And this is a tea shop. Normally they have chairs here.
You can try Turkish tea here.
Turkish tea you can have. There's a well. Old well for you to wash your hands. And there's still a lot of construction here. Kolay gelsin. So here's Anatolia Restaurant, all closed right now, and Sean Irish Bar, also closed right now. This is not the view that you're used to seeing. Do you want a tea?
Okay, let's get. You gonna drink it here?
Yeah, can we have one tea to share?
Okay. Bir tane çay alabilir miyiz? No sugar.
No sugar for us, thank you.
Zoom to the tea.
Okay. Beautiful Turkish tea.
Let me try. It's very hot.
Don't burn your tongue. Oh,
But it's good after donuts. Good taste. You want to drink?
wait, I'll point this way and I'll drink a little bit. Can I drink some?
But it's very fresh, very nice tea here.
Oh, very hot, but very nice. You know, they say that when you are hot, you should drink hot tea to kind of like put your body at the same temperature as outside.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, go over to YouTube, put Kuşadası, and click subscribe.
This is free water to drink here. This tap. They don't charge.
To drink? People drink from this? So much construction going on. Say hi to all in Charlie's. Are these guys from Charlie's? Maybe no, they're from clothing shop. I think Charlie's is right here. This one, isn't it? Ah, no, maybe a little bit. Yeah, I'm a little bit lost where Charlie's is. Baby, where's Charlie's?
Over there.
In the corner there? Ah, yeah, next to Deja Vu. Ah,
Drink
yeah.
it, baby.
Okay, we'll pass by there. Oh, it's so hot, but so good. This tea.
Nice taste, yeah? It's very nice.
Guys, cheers. The tea is very good.
We are sharing one tea, very chipaton.
We invented this word, chipaton. You guys understand what that means. All right. Very nice tea. Let's move on.
Actually, this word was in the cruise ships they were using, yeah?
Yeah? I don't know. I learned from you, maybe.
In cruise ships, I learned that. Stuff. The crew member was saying that each other. We are chipaton, you know.
Yeah. Chipaton. Yeah, we learned many interesting words on the ships. So now we are coming to this area here, which you are very familiar with. Kolay gelsin. These are the shops that you know to get good shoes, good sports clothes, bags, all kinds of Nikes and Adidas replicas. And right now, actually, if you do come out somehow, these are like the best deals ever. Because there are so few tourists, it's so empty, as you notice. It's all the locals here only, so look at the prices. Like 3 euros for a sweater. It's really, really nice deals right now that you can get. Like this shirt, just 3 euros, not even, a little bit less. So yeah, you can buy a lot of nice things.
Charlie's is here.
Charlie's is closed.
But they're gonna put new sign now. They changed the signs now. You know that.
So this is Charlie's. And here is the mosque. So in the mosque, men after prayer just hanging out. Or this is before the prayer. Wait, I don't know. But you're supposed to wash your feet before the prayer. Your feet, your ears, your hands to the elbows. And then you go to pray. So I don't know, maybe they will still do the praying after. Probably, because the prayer from the mosque is probably just a call to prayer, and then you go when you hear it. Ah yeah, he's reading some news. So this is like a traditional way in the mosque. They are reading like what's happening, updating you with some things. And here, right next to mosque, is Deja Vu. Very nice restaurant owned by Iba. And looks like renovations all here as well. At the end of the street is Mr. Moon's. I think Angela is sitting there. You see the blonde girl there in the end? Maybe it's her. We will not go there this way. So here is only sidewalk, but you have to be careful. There's a lot of motorbikes coming all the time. But it's nice because then I feel more free to go around on my scooter. No one is bothered. So you see
latte color everywhere here too?
Yeah, these are the finishing touches being done now. All the finishing touches. Everyone's like finishing, fixing up, mostly with the roofs and the exterior of the building. That was a big job. And then they have to also finish the bottom of the, like where the shop meets the street. You know, they were making a little bit of a mess, so everybody put their own marbles, or like they made the edge look better. It's very nice shoe shop here. If you've been to Kuşadası, you know that it's a good one. Let me just show you why. Look, 40 lira. You know what 40 lira is? It's about 5 euros. And look what you can get for 5 euros. Any pair of these awesome, lovely, stylish options. They have a lot of nice things, especially sports shoes. And I know many people these days are wearing sports shoes, me including. And so, yeah, take a look. See, sports shoes everywhere. Like if you look at the people, look, another scooterist, my friend. I like people with scooters. It works well in Kuşadası. Everybody's wearing sports shoes, and therefore sports shoes are like really nice, affordable, and good quality here. So salesmen are hanging out, waiting for the customers, and there's not so many customers right now. Now we are going towards Four Brothers. These shops generally stay the same, but some of them do change. Like this one, merhaba. Like this one, I don't remember last time, but now I see it here. So it's like some shops are there forever and some are new. Merhaba. Ah, these are the guys who walk around and offer the perfume to you. I know these guys.
Kolay gelsin.
Kolay gelsin.
Angel Pashmina.
Pashminas also.
And eggs.
And eggs.
Başıboş tavuk.
What? This is very nice.
Başıboş tavuk is something
wait.
like homeless.
Shoes and then eggs. That doesn't make sense.
And he put funny sign there like a homeless chickens he put.
Yeah?
Yeah, like the eggs from homeless chicken.
That's interesting. It's actually very nice eggs. I like the home eggs. Kolay gelsin.
We never entered here, look. Come.
Okay. Ah, it's like a little indoor space. Let's see. Look, 50 lira.
Nice leathers.
Ah, 50 euro.
Kolay gelsin.
Euro. Yeah, that makes more sense.
€50
Euro
suit.
lira mı?
€50.
Euro. Yeah, 50 euro.
450 lira is that something more
450 lira for a suit.
This $1,000. And that's wherever you go.
Yeah, in Canada $1,000.
Yeah, I know.
50 euro.
Avrupa'da diyorum 1000 euro falan satıyorlar ya.
Burası şimdi
Yeah.
sezon bitti. Burada
Burası-
kışında şeyle geçti zaten.
50 euros is a good price, you know.
That's a nice suit. Look,
Yeah.
the blue one. Would it match you? Can you stand next to it? I'll pretend that I visualize you in it. No. You will look gay. Sorry.
Yeah, I know. 50 euro t-shirt in Europe.
What about this one? Can you stand next to this one with the on the left? I think this one will be nice. Yeah, like Donald Trump.
Yeah, his style.
Yeah.
Donald Trump.
Actually, the middle one will be the best for you. The gray.
Yeah, gray, yeah.
Yeah, it's really gonna look nice on you. I like the gray very much. That's the best.
Very good prices.
Yeah. So
This
look.
mall we never entered before, yeah? Look, let's show the souvenirs here, come. Jewelries.
If you enjoy shopping and looking for
These
presents,
rings are interesting.
it's a very nice place.
They're like a metal, black metals.
Oh, I love that. I am like,
Vikings, look.
you know, I'm a little bit like a, look at my like stuff, and this really matches the style that I like, you know. And this is cool. Are they made from metal?
Look,
Yeah, they're metal.
Ottoman rings they have, look.
Very nice things here. There's a lot of things. Oh, look. Yeah.
A lot of Turkish stuff. Oh, bracelets also, leather ones.
So a lot of interesting gifts you could bring. Yeah, a lot of my style stuff. I like it. Oh, let's not spend too much time indoors. I want the air from the sunshine.
Kolay gelsin.
Very nice.
Leather jackets, look, furs.
50 euro.
50 euro leather jackets.
Yeah, yes.
Good deal.
Nice collection.
My mom would come here.
Partnership.
Yeah.
She really likes the leather jackets. Kolay gelsin.
You know the cheapest leathers here, they use from the peak leathers. Peak.
Don't
Yeah.
say that.
Yes?
Well, why you have to say that?
They say that when they
Now I
sell
will never want to get it.
I tell the truth.
Oh.
Kolay gelsin.
I think this is Aaron Baby Shop, isn't it? Very nice shop. Kolay guys. Now it's hard to tell because the shops have no names, you know, because they're changing it up. This is the shopping center that has Coton inside, and it has 2 or 3 floors. It's a nice plaza to come inside as well, just because of Coton is really worth it. Let's go to Patty's shoe shop. So you're the one watching, do you remember all the shops here? Look how empty and how sad it looks like right now. Well, I guess. That's the shoe shop I wanted to show you. Very nice. I like these kids' jackets, the red one, because we have a girl, little girl. This is nice. Kolay gelsin. Oh, look how nicely he's cleaning up, dusting. There's a lot of them that you will see dusting, because now is construction dust unfortunately goes to the items. So they spend a lot of time dusting during the day. This looks like a toy shop. Kolay gelsin. And here is the very famous shoe shop next to Four Brothers Restaurant. And what's the name of this shoe shop? Is this Patty's shoe shop? Patty's shoe shop. Patty's shoe shop. I remember. Our followers like it.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Very
Look,
nice.
they've done the roads here.
Kolay
Kind of.
gelsin. 10 lira for these shirts. That's €1. Oh, this is Four Brothers. It's closed right now. And the Center Cafe
Look,
is
Four
also
Brothers
closed.
under construction.
But it's becoming better, this area. Oh, that's how it looks like. Let's see.
Kolay gelsin.
Four
Hele ufak tefek
Brothers.
değişiklikler. Oh, dish. Yes.
Who recognizes Four Brothers right now, you guys? Who can recognize this? Which table did you sit at? Probably outside. Yeah. It's going to
They
be
removed
good
the
when
sign
they're
now.
going.
They're gonna make new ones.
Oh yeah, I see they put the woods. Nice new wood. Yeah. Oh, look at these workers here.
Oh, dikkat et.
Oh, don't fall down.
Don't jump. You want to say I'm gonna jump.
Kolay
You said don't jump. İyi, canlı yayına devam. Good. You see that he now become more smoother, you know? Used to be like this.
Do you see
Now easy to climb.
how they designed it with the star kind of
Yeah.
like the sunshine? That's interesting.
That light is new here, this post.
Oh yeah, they put a post right in the middle. Interesting.